Good morning, Prachi. Am I audible? Prachi, are you there?
Yes, good morning.
Yeah, good morning. Yeah. So we'll just start in 5 to 7 minutes. It's 11 o'clock time. So let us wait for a few more students and then we can start. So
Yeah, sure.
till till other students come, let us have a quick introduction. So like, what are you pursuing right now and where are you from? Prachi? Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Am I audible?
Yeah, yeah. Now you are audible. So like, what are you pursuing right now?
Right now, I'm in ninth actually, and my sister suggested me to join this session because, like, I want to do corporate law,
Okay.
BBA, LLB.
Okay, okay, great. And you're from Nashik only?
Oh, yes.
Okay, acha. And from which school you are pursuing nine?
Right now, Wisdom High International School.
Wisdom. Okay, okay. I guess Mohit gave you the this thing, na, I guess. Mohit Choradia.
I don't know. Yes.
Okay, yeah, actually. Okay, fine, fine. So within 5 to 7 minutes, we'll start. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Good morning, Prachi, Rohit. Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay, great. So I think now we should start the session now. So let us have an introduction with Rohit first. Rohit, can you just unmute and give us a short introduction? What are you pursuing and from where you are? Can you unmute yourself, Rohit? I guess Rohit is writing something in chat. Yeah, can you unmute Rohit? Okay, fine. So yes, let us discuss now. Like as you are aware, we are going to discuss about why law, and most importantly, that if you want to pursue law, then what are the different preparations you need to take, and what are the different entrance exams, and from which entrance exam you can get into the which best colleges. Am I right? So let us discuss, and let us have an proper interaction with each other, so that your doubts are also cleared, and even I can give you the best of my knowledge. Correct? So now tell me, like अगर हम law के बारे में सोचते हैं तो like what is your perception, like what is your image that is being created, like when we talk about law as a profession? Yes, yes, Prachi. Yeah, come on, speak up. Let us have an interactive session. So लॉ के बारे में हम सोचते हैं तो क्या इमेज क्रिएट होती है हमारे दिमाग में, लाइक लॉ मतलब वो कैसा प्रोफेशन है, या लाइक व्हाट इज द आइडेंटिटी दैट इज क्रिएटेड इन योर माइंड? We are here to discuss about law, right? So come on, let us speak. We have one more student entered here. Samruddhi is there. uh, Samruddhi, yeah, it will be better if you can have a short introduction, like what are you pursuing? Can you just unmute? Aja. Okay, she's gone. Fine. So, like you guys are not speaking up, let us discuss that. See, whenever we think about law as a profession, so the first thing that is created in our mind is like law मतलब वो काला कोट पहना हुआ आदमी होता है. So we see a coat and all. आपने देखा होगा जॉली एलएलबी and all. Am I right? पिंक देखा होगा, सूट्स which is very famous series. Correct? So आपने ये सब देखा होगा. So that is a image that is created in our mind that law as a profession ऐसा होता है. But in this past 4 to 5 years, law industry has changed drastically. मतलब उसमें इतना चेंज आया है कि नॉट ओनली नॉर्मल जो हम लोग जो कोर्ट रूम प्रैक्टिस देखते हैं, दैट इज लिटिगेशन, राइट? सो अपार्ट फ्रॉम लिटिगेशन, there are so many different options available in the market right now that वो इंडस्ट्री इतना ग्रो हो गया that each and every industry and each and every sector has a requirement of legal advisor or legal as a department. So let us discuss now. If you can see the screen, is the screen visible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
करेक्ट. सो जब हम लॉ के बारे में बात करते हैं, सो इट इज अ प्रोफेशन विच एवरी इंडस्ट्री एंड एवरी सेक्टर हैज अ रिक्वायरमेंट. एक तो लिटिगेशन हो गया, देन नॉर्मल कॉर्पोरेट काउंसिल है, जो बड़े बड़े एमएनसीज होते हैं, टीसीएस, इंफोसिस, विप्रो, आईटी सेक्टर पकड़ लो, सर्विस इंडस्ट्री है, एवरीथिंग एवरीथिंग, इवन वेदर इट इज, यू कैन सी सेकंड लास्ट ऑप्शन मीडिया एंड लॉ. Then there is social activity which we call as the NGO. As a academics, like if you are good in your oratory skills, right? अगर आपको पब्लिक स्पीकिंग में इंटरेस्ट है, स्टूडेंट्स को पढ़ाने में इंटरेस्ट है, so law as a profession of teaching also, it is having a huge demand. Because if you see, अगर आपने थोड़ा रिसर्च किया होगा तो 2016 के बाद every year a new NLU was introduced. If you see, मतलब एवरी ईयर एक नया एनएलयू लॉन्च हुआ। 2016 में नागपुर में एनएलयू स्टार्ट हुआ, उसके बाद 2017 में जबलपुर इट स्टार्टेड, then it started in Aurangabad, then it also started in Sonipat also in 2019. So every year there was introduction of a new NLU in the market. And the good fact is here is Maharashtra is the state which is having multiple NLUs across India. ऐसा कोई भी स्टेट नहीं है जहाँ पे there are more than one NLU. But Maharashtra state में there are 3 NLUs. One is in Mumbai, another is in Nagpur, and one is in Aurangabad. Correct? So this is a add-on benefit for us. After that, most importantly, when we talk about this career options, so जैसे हमने देखा social ये है social work, media and law. So now let us talk about one by one. Litigation एक है, corporate counsel है. So these two professions are best in their own thing. दोनों के pros and cons है, no doubt. But it depends what drives you. Is it money that drives you? Then litigation is the best option. You can go for it. Because see, litigation में अगर हम देखते हैं तो first thing is there is no limit for the income. इसमें कोई स्टैंडर्ड प्रोटोकॉल या फिर स्टैंडर्ड ये नहीं है कि ये चीज है तो उसका इतना कॉस्ट है, right? As per your expertise and your paying capacity of the client, you can charge as much as you want because it's your expertise. So आप अश्योरिटी दे सकते हो और आप जितना चाहिए उतना चार्ज कर सकते हो, राइट? कॉर्पोरेट काउंसिल में वैसा नहीं है, राइट? कॉर्पोरेट काउंसिल में ऐसा कोई यू कांट चार्ज एज मच बिकॉज यू आर वर्किंग फॉर अ कंपनी, करेक्ट? सो दूसरा एक ये बेनिफिट है कि लिटिगेशन में टाइमिंग इज द इशू. एज पर द रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ द क्लाइंट आपको यहाँ वहाँ भागना पड़ेगा इररिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ द टाइम. बट कॉर्पोरेट काउंसिल में वैसा नहीं है. 10 to 6 is the working hours and then you are free. करेक्ट? ऑफिस आवर्स खत्म हो गया, यू आर डन विद द वर्क. बराबर? when we talk about litigation में एक ड्रॉबैक है कि अगर you have a case or something in your hand तो ही इनकम है, करेक्ट? बट अगर इन केस ही नहीं है तो इनकम भी जीरो है. बट कॉर्पोरेट काउंसिल में उल्टा है, कंपनी में काम हो ना हो, एवरी मंथ फिक्स सैलरी इज गोइंग टू कम इन योर अकाउंट, करेक्ट? सो ये प्रोज एंड कॉन्स तो रहेगा ही हर एक प्रोफेशन में. बट इट डिपेंड्स व्हाट इज योर फोर्टे और फिर आपको क्या पसंद है. आपने सुना होगा मैगी बैन हो गई थी, करेक्ट? यस और नो? कैडबरी डेयरी मिल्क, that was also banned. So again the product is available in the market, है क्या नहीं? प्रोडक्ट है ना मार्केट में. So
Yes.
so this is what the lawyers do. They work for the company and when company is into trouble, lawyers comes into the picture and they sort out the issue. So this is where your role comes into the picture कि आपको कैसे कैसे क्या क्या चीजों में इन्वॉल्व होना पड़ सकता है, राइट? सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट एलपीओ एंड सिविल सर्विसेज आल्सो. देयर अगर कोई स्टूडेंट एमपीएससी यूपीएससी का प्रिपरेशन कर रहा है, देयर आल्सो देयर इज अ law is a that plays an important role because when we talk about law is the one who is a rebel, who is a rational thinker, and the one who understands the society and who comes forward and uh, takes the challenge to change the society in the right way. अगर आपने देखा होगा हमारे जो सारे फ्रीडम फाइटर्स थे, दे वर द लॉयर्स एज अ प्रोफेशन. महात्मा गांधी लॉयर थे, सुषमा स्वराज, अरुण जेटली, all these are our freedom fighters and national leaders, and by profession they were lawyers because they know what the law is, what is the right way and how you can fight against it, right? So that helps you a lot. So that's why it's called a rational thinker. And most importantly, law is non-retiring profession. इसको कोई रिटायरमेंट नहीं है. आप आफ्टर रिटायरमेंट एज इन लाइक अगर इफ यू आर नॉट वेल एट यू मोर देन एज ऑफ 65, आप घर पे बैठे बैठे भी आप इनकम कमा सकते हो by just giving a legal advice. Because see, law is a profession. हम लोग कई बार सुनते हैं ना कि कोर्ट कचहरी के काम में नहीं फंसना चाहिए. Why? Because it's a lengthy process and it takes time and money both. So ऐसे चीजों के वक्त वी नेवर नो दैट एज अ लेमैन मुझे कोई गाइड कर रहा है या मिसगाइड कर रहा है. So at that point of time, we can go to the legal advisor. He charges the fees, but he shows you the right way. कि आपको जो you can ask him ना कि मुझे lawyer है मेरा, उसने ये बताया, उसके लिए इतना फीस ले रहा है और उसके लिए इतना टाइम लगेगा. So is this the right way? So there are many legal advisors who just give the proper advice and right track, and they charge the consulting fees. So that is also non-retiring profession. As a female for Prachi also, it's a very good profession. आप legal advisor के तरीके भी काम कर सकते हो, right? So after that we have media and law. So nowadays you must be very much aware that how the social media network is being operated, and newspaper ads, national television, everything. So all these things, whenever the things are being published, they have to go through a proper legal way. अगर आप देखते हो कि सोशल मीडिया पे भी आप कोई भी चीज आजकल अपलोड करते हो एंड इट इज नॉट राइट, कोई वल्गर हो या फिर कोई पॉलिटिकल हो, आफ्टर सम टाइम ऑटोमेटिकली द पोस्ट इज बीइंग डिलीटेड. एम आई राइट? एम आई राइट? पोस्ट डिलीट हो जाती है,
Yes.
करेक्ट? अगर कुछ ज्यादा सीवियर हो तो पीपल आर गेटिंग अरेस्टेड आल्सो फॉर दैट. So everything is by now and then it is surrounded by the all these things. So this is called as cyber law, cyber security. So after that national television, अगर कोई भी commercial ad हो या anything it is there, they have to go through censor board. अगर movie भी है तो, am I right? So all these are following the constitution. law का जो constitution है उसके ऊपर based है, and things go accordingly. प्रॉपर सबका अप्रूवल होगा, उसके बाद ये होगा. मूवी भी रिलीज होने के बाद सेंसर बोर्ड अप्रूव करेगा. सेंसर बोर्ड विल पॉइंट आउट दैट ये सीन निकाल दो, ये सीन डिलीट कर दो. यू मस्ट हैव सीन रामलीला मूवी और जो भी मूवीज है जिसमें इशू हुए. सो सेंसर बोर्ड ये सारी चीजें देखते हैं, देन दे अलाउ द परमिशन, देन दे गिव्स अ सर्टिफिकेशन दैट इट इज यू और ए. Correct? So all these are laws that we need to follow before going the this thing, ads or movies or everything into the air, मतलब जब लाइव होने के पहले. So all these are process. So यहाँ पे भी काफी important रोल होता है लीगल एडवाइजर का. एंड आर्म फोर्सेस भी है जहाँ पे अपना जो लॉ है वो अलग है, एंड जो ये है मिलिट्री है और ये है उनका अलग से लॉ होता है. तो वो भी एक अलग पढ़ाई होती है अगर आपको उसमें, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज जैग एंट्री. अब वो एग्जाम देके आप आर्म फोर्सेस का लॉ पढ़ सकते हो, दैट इज कॉल्ड मार्शल लॉ. अपना जो ये लॉ है दैट इज सिविल लॉ, एंड उनका जो होता है दैट इज कॉल्ड मार्शल लॉ. करेक्ट? यहाँ तक क्लियर? So like when we talk about law, so are you clear why law, और फिर हमको law करने के बाद क्या कर सकते हैं? This is the most important thing, because we see that ये field ऐसा है कि people are not very much aware. Law बोला तो फिर खाली वो court and black coat and everything that comes into the mind. So industry has changed a lot, and there are many new updates that are coming. So it's the most good, and that is the most हर एक इंडस्ट्री का एक ग्राफ होता है. सो लॉ इंडस्ट्री का ये ग्राफ जो है अभी वो बूम पीरियड में है. लाइक दिस इज द राइट टाइम यू शुड एंटर इनटू द दिस थिंग, बिकॉज इफ यू सी 20-25 इयर्स बैक जब एमबीए का ज्यादा क्रेज था, सो एट दैट टाइम दोज हु हैव कंप्लीटेड एमबीए नाउ दे हैव रीच्ड टू द नेक्स्ट लेवल राइट नाउ, राइट? सो ये लॉ इंडस्ट्री का ये पीक पीरियड है वेयर यू कैन यू शुड एंटर इन दिस. करेक्ट? सो यहाँ तक क्लियर हो गया कि लॉ करने के बाद एक्चुअली वी व्हाट कैन वी डू. If you have any doubts, you can, please unmute and you can ask. Clear, Prachi?
Yes, you're clear.
Clear. So what are the different options and where we can go and how we can go? Okay. So now let us discuss basically ki, yeah, you can just see on the screen. These are the, when we talk about law, CLAT is the, most important examination to get into the best college, which is called as National Law University. Am I correct? So across India, there are 19 national law universities, and one is National Law University, Delhi, which conducts its own entrance exam called ALET. Correct? So likewise, there are total, you can see on the screen, CLAT is for all the 19 national law university. Then ALET is, in spite of being a national law university, it conducts its own entrance exam called ALET. तो वो उनका एग्जाम वो खुद लेते हैं, करेक्ट। सो ये दोनों एग्जाम है जो हम दे सकते हैं, इसके थ्रू वी कैन गेट इनटू द बेस्ट लॉ यूनिवर्सिटी. So when we talk about CLAT as a examination, it is basically earlier it was offline. Yeah, Rohit, I was about to come for that. In the slide it is given online, but actually if, earlier it was online, but since last year due to pandemic and all, it has shifted to offline mode. And even paper pattern is like 150 questions. Earlier it was 200 questions. So the entrance exam has 150 questions for 150 marks and 2 hours. And most importantly, it has negative marking. So here what matters is your selection of question. And syllabus is you have 5 subjects: maths, English, logical reasoning, legal, aptitude, and general knowledge. Correct. So these are the basic 5 subjects which you need to prepare for, and by preparing these 5 subjects, you can get into any of the entrance exam. Not only CLAT, but यही syllabus आपको काम आएगा ALET में. Then you will get into महाराष्ट्र का जो law CET होता है, correct. So Maharashtra has its own law CET. अगर across महाराष्ट्र कोई भी law college में admission चाहिए, तो you need to give this law CET. And through law CET, there are 2 very much renowned colleges. One is ILS, which is in Pune, and another is GLC, which is in Mumbai. Correct. So Mumbai में there are 2 good colleges which if you want to see that नहीं हमको महाराष्ट्र में ही करना है, कहीं बाहर नहीं जाना है. So महाराष्ट्र में एक तो नेशनल लॉ यूनिवर्सिटी भी है एंड लॉ सीईटी के थ्रू GLC भी है where you can actually go. Correct. तो ये तो हो गया ये 2 एग्जाम. उसके बाद देयर आर मेनी डिफरेंट प्राइवेट इंस्टीट्यूट्स आल्सो, दोज हु कंडक्ट देयर ओन एंट्रेंस एग्जाम एंड दे कैन गेट इनटू दैट पर्टिकुलर कॉलेज. जैसे सॉरी या सो जैसे सिम्बोसिस है which has its own entrance exam called SLAT. Then Christ University is there. Christ University is in Bangalore. Then NMIMS again in Mumbai. Then you have another college called MIT, which is in Pune. So all these exams are there. Private institutes, they conduct their own entrance exams, and they we can get the admission in that particular college. Correct. So this is the syllabus. I guess this is last year's pattern 2 years back. So जैसे मैंने बताया कि it has 150 marks and 5 subjects. Correct. So on the screen you can see our students, those who scored good and they got into the best law colleges across India. There are students from Symbiosis and NLU Mumbai and NLU Nagpur and Jindal. Correct. So Rohit, just can you give me an idea that you are in which year right now? If you are not comfortable to unmute, you can just write in the chat box. So we have a 1-year program and 2 years program as well. So if you are in 11th grade right now, we have a 2 years course in which we have classes on only weekends, so that you can focus on your 11th 12th preparation also whole week. And on weekends we can specifically prepare for CLAT. So Saturdays we have 2 hours and Sunday we have 4 hours. So like this the curriculum is divided. And if you are in 12th grade, then we have a 1-year program also. So in this we will be Saturday we have 3 to 5. Saturday we have 3 to 5 and Sunday it is morning 7:30 to 9:30, and we have one batch in the evening also, afternoon 3 to 5. So this you will be getting the complete study material, online mock test. Also you will be getting the current affair magazine in it. Correct. So you will be getting on and around 14 to 15 set of books, online mock test, because you see, online portal will help you a lot in reading the legal updates also, along with current affair magazine, which is updated every week. You will be getting that magazine in an online PDF format in your aspiration account. After that, you will be getting legal update, because see, when we talk about law is altogether a new language for us, right? So law profession में there are many different words which we have never come across. So जितना आप law के बारे में पढ़ोगे, जितना आप उसके बारे में read करोगे, एक anxiety भी बढ़ेगा, and you will be aware with the law as a language. तो आप जितना पढ़ोगे उतना एक awareness भी बढ़ेगा, and you will be familiar with that language. So you need to read about the law. So you will be getting the legal updates also. बिकॉज सी एंट्रेंस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू आपको जो जो पता होना चाहिए वो आपको ये एंट्रेंस एग्जाम में रहेगा. आफ्टर दैट 5 years you will be in detail studying that, correct? So you will be getting this thing called Constitution of India. Then you will be learning about contracts, criminal law. Then you will be learning torts, family law, intellectual property rights. So all these things you will be learning from entrance aspect. And after that आपको तो ये in detail में पढ़ना ही है. Getting my point? So this will help you a lot. So accordingly ये पूरा ऐसे curriculum रहेगा, correct? So are you clear, प्राची? आपको कोई doubt या कुछ पूछना है? Yes,
No.
प्राची.
It's clear.
Clear. What are the different entrance exams? उसका preparation, syllabus कैसे होता है, and how you need to prepare for it. Correct?
Yes.
Correct. So yeah, you can just note down the number which is on the screen. So this is our contact number, and office is at College Road opposite to Big Bazaar. You can just take a screenshot if you want. So like you are in 9th now. So like after completing your 10th, you should actually start preparing for it.
Oh yeah.
Okay. So clear picture is clear. कैसे करना है, क्या करना है?
Yes.
Okay, great. So let us call it for the session. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can call us and reach us. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Bye.